Hi folks, it's George again. I'm assembling a homemade speaker using 12 volts. So that's the front of the cabinet. So I made the cabinet from some cardboard reinforced with wood and glue. So that's the control panel front. So I'm just wiring up the back of the speaker at present. This is the control module. So I'm making extensions to the back. So that's the pinout for the screen, and that's the pinout for the amp module. So I've sorted up the RCA, and now I'm about to solder up I'm just about to solder up the speakers. So I'll get back to you once that's done. So the speaker leads are all soldered up. So what I'm going to do now is install the module, install the back panel and the front of the unit. So that's all the tools I've used so far. And yeah, so I'll get this all assembled, and then I'll do a demonstration. So I'll do that once all of this is finished. Hi, so it's all wired up. As you can see, there's the module, speakers, RCA, speaker output, RC output, front of the unit, remote control, cover. So I made a little cover. Oops. Oops. There you go. So there's the unit with the cover on and remote control. Yeah, so yeah, not bad.
He was killed. People emotionally, particularly in his troop, were furious. They were angry. And they became immediately interested in payback. In other words, we'll kill all of these people in front of us. And I had to deal with that, in February 26th, with officers as well who did not want to stop killing. They wanted to continue killing when it was perfectly obvious to me, since we couldn't move, we were restricted from moving, that we had no choice but to